Hi children, how are you? Are you fine? Okay, here I am also fine. I think all of my children saw today's English class through Victor's channel. Yes, very good. Now we are going to study the new chapter named To the Palace. What is the name of the new chapter? Look there. Yeah, read loudly. To the palace. To the palace. Okay, just listen me. We learned about Pingala and his friends. What were they doing? Okay, we know that today is the last day to show their well-grown plans in front of the king. Then all the children in the country, they are ready. They are ready to show their well-grown plans in front of their king. But what happened to Pingala, our Pingala? Yes, let's see what happened to Pingala. Look at your book. Look at the picture. Yes, what do you see in the picture? Yes, who are there in the picture? Yes, Pingala. Yes, the children, Pingala and the children. Then, what is Pingala holding in his hand? Look there. What is that? Yes, Pingala is holding an empty pot in his hand. Pingala is holding an empty pot in his hand. Check Pingala's face. Is he happy or sad? Yes, Pingala is so sad. What is the reason? Can you guess? Yes, we know that the last class or the last chapter, we know that Pingala's seed didn't sprout. So Pingala became sad. Then you look at the picture. Who is standing in behind Pingala? Who is standing behind Pingala? Look there. We can see a man standing behind Pingala. Can you guess who is he? Very good, very good. Yeah, that's right. Who is he? Very good. Pingala's father. Pingala's father is standing behind him. He is looking at Pingala. Then, what are the children holding in his hand? In their hands? Yes, they are holding well-grown plants in their hands. They are holding well-grown plants in their hands. Okay, very good. What are they doing? Are they playing? No. Then, yes, they are walking to the palace. They are so happy. They are walking to the palace. They are going towards the palace with their well-grown plants. Okay, now read the story to know what is happening. Are you ready? Yes. Then all of you take your book and look at the chapter named To the Palace. To the Palace. Then, first of all you read carefully that chapter. You should read this chapter carefully. Okay. Okay, I think all of you finished the reading. Am I right? Yes. Now listen me. Now I am going to ask some questions. Are you ready? Yes. Okay. Just listen me. What did Pingala's father suggest to him? What did Pingala's father suggest to him? Suggest means നിർദ്ദേശം. സജസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ, നിർദ്ദേശിക്കുക. വാട്ട് ഡിഡ് പിങ്കളാസ് ഫാദർ സജസ്റ്റ് ഹിം? പിങ്കളയുടെ അച്ഛൻ എന്താണ് അവനോട് പറഞ്ഞത്, നിർദ്ദേശിച്ചത്? Anybody can say the answer? Once again, you should read the passage and try to answer. Hurry up. Yes. Who can say? Yeah, very good. Ready? Yeah, very good, very good. Try to say. Yes. Once again, I repeat my question. What did Pingala suggest? What did Pingala's father suggest? Yes, Pingala's father suggested him what? To go to the palace with his empty pot. Pingala's father suggested him to go to the palace with his empty pot. Empty? Yes. We learned the meaning of the word empty. What is that? Empty means empty. Empty pocket. Empty wallet. Empty cover. Yes. Empty means ശൂന്യം, ഒഴിഞ്ഞ. Empty means ശൂന്യമായ. Empty. 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 Pingala's father suggested him to go to the palace with his empty pot. Very good. Okay, then the next question. Why did the other people laugh at him? When Pingala entered or reached at the palace, the other children, they saw Pingala and they laughed at him. Laughed at means കളിയാക്കുക, കളിയാക്കിച്ചിരിക്കുക, പരിഹസിക്കുക. Laughed at. പരിഹസിച്ചു. Yes. Why did the other people laugh at Pingala? Yes. When they saw Pingala's empty pot, all the children laughed at him. All the children saw Pingala's empty pot. When they saw Pingala's empty pot, they laughed at Pingala or they laughed at him. എന്തിനാണ് മറ്റു കുട്ടികളൊക്കെ പിങ്കളയെ നോക്കി ചിരിച്ചത്? When they saw Pingala's empty pot, അവർ പിങ്കളയുടെ കയ്യിൽ എന്താ കണ്ടത്? എംപ്റ്റി പോട്ടാണ് കണ്ടത്, അല്ലേ? All other children have well grown plants in their pots, but when they saw Pingala, they saw an empty pot in his hand. So all other children laughed at him. കുട്ടികളൊക്കെ നോക്കുമ്പോൾ അവരുടെ കയ്യിലൊക്കെ എന്തുണ്ട്? All the children have well grown plants. അവരുടെ കയ്യിലൊക്കെ നല്ല വളർന്നു നിൽക്കുന്ന ചെടിയുമായിട്ടാണ് വന്നത്, അല്ലേ? But Pingala, when they saw Pingala, but Pingala has only an empty pot. So when all the children saw Pingala's empty pot, they laughed at him. അവർ പിങ്കളയുടെ കയ്യിൽ ആ ഒഴിഞ്ഞ പാത്രം കണ്ടപ്പോഴാണ് അവർ കളിയാക്കി ചിരിച്ചത്. Was Pingala happy? No. Pingala is sad. Pingala is looking so sad. Why did Pingala so sad? Yes. Pingala tried to grow the plants, but his seeds didn't sprout. We know that Pingala's seeds didn't sprout. So Pingala couldn't to go to the palace with well-grown plants. അവൻ്റെ വിത്തുകളൊന്നും മുളച്ചില്ല. അതുകൊണ്ട് പിങ്കളയ്ക്ക് നല്ല ചെടികളുമായിട്ട് കൊട്ടാരത്തിലേക്ക് പോകാൻ കഴിഞ്ഞില്ല. He couldn't go to the palace with well-grown plants because his seeds didn't sprout. His seeds didn't sprout. ചെടികളൊന്നും സ്പ്രൗട്ട് ചെയ്തില്ല, മുളച്ചില്ല. അതുകൊണ്ട് അവന് he couldn't go to the palace. അവന് കൊട്ടാരത്തിലേക്ക് പോകാൻ കഴിഞ്ഞില്ല. How? Yes, with his well-grown plants. അവൻ്റെ നല്ല വളർന്നു നിൽക്കുന്ന പുഷ്ടിയുള്ള ചെടികളുമായിട്ട് അവന് പോകാൻ കഴിഞ്ഞില്ല. സോ പിങ്കള became sad. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് പിങ്കള വളരെ ദുഃഖിതനായത്. Okay, when Pingala became so sad and he's sitting in front of his house in the morning, all other children are walking to the palace with their well-grown plants, well dressed. Then Pingala's father saw him. He came near Pingala. And what did he do? He consoled Pingala. Consoled means ആശ്വസിപ്പിച്ചു. Consoled. Okay, Pingala's father consoled him. What did he say to Pingala? Yes, how did his father console him? Yes, he consoled Pingala that the king would understand, or the king would know that his hard work, his father consoled him that the king would understand Pingala's hard work. അവൻ്റെ അച്ഛനവൻ ആശ്വസിപ്പിക്കുകയാണ്. രാജാവിന് മനസ്സിലാകും നിൻ്റെ ഹാർഡ് വർക്കൊക്കെ, നീ ഇത്രയും സമയം കഠിനാധ്വാനം ചെയ്തതൊക്കെ രാജാവിന് മനസ്സിലാകും. സാരമില്ല, ഡോണ്ട് വറി. You just ready to go to the palace with your empty pot. Your king would understand. Your king would understand your hard work. Okay, father consoled him and asked to go to the palace with his empty pot. He told something about his hard work. Then Pingala replied. He told his sadness. Then they talk about something, about the seed and the king and the prince, his highness or the prince. What will be the conversation between the father and Pingala? Yes, you just think about the conversations. What are they talking? What are they talking about Pingala? What will be the conversation? What will be the talking between Pingala and his father? Yes, you just think and imagine. Right. Then you make a conversation between Pingala and his father. It is the first task from this chapter. You make a conversation between Pingala and his father. Okay?